Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix this Roblox connection error. First, open up your Google Play Store and try to search for Roblox app. And if you find that update button, you just need to tap on this update. Now once you've done here, just need to go back to the page and then go to search box. Try to search for this 111 VPN. And then you just need to install this VPN app. Now, once you've done installing this VPN app, need to go back and then go to your phone settings and then scroll down, find these apps, then tap on manage apps or apps management. Now here, just need to search for the Roblox app and type right here Roblox, and now tap on this storage. And all you need to do is tap on this clear data at the bottom middle and then tap on clear cache, and then you need to clear all data. Now once you've done right here, so go back to the home screen, then open this one for VPN. And here you just have to tap on this next, then tap on accept, and then here just need to tap on install VPN profile and just tap on OK. Then all you need to do is enable this to connect to your VPN. Now once you've done right here, you just need to go back and open your Roblox app. Then here, as you can see, there was no error or problem on connection. And then you just need to log in your account, and then we just need to enter the two-step verification. And once you've done, choose the game that you want to play, and that's it. You can now play your Roblox without the error. And that's how you basically fix Roblox connection error on your Android phone. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.